Here are the 6 animals that I spotted on my trip to Ladakh. Double-humped Bactrian camels. In the beautiful sandy dunes of the Nubra valley, the double-humped Bactrian camels are undoubtedly the stars. On our way to the Panamik Hot springs, we found these donkeys grazing in the grasslands. These animals were very curious and came forward to say hello. Met these marmots on our way to the Pangong Tso. It was a dream come true moment for me. These Himalayan marmots stand up on their 2 feet to greet the people, and sometimes they even say Namaste. The pashmina goats found in the high altitude Changthang plateau of Ladakh and are reared by the nomadic Changpa tribes. Goats grow a thick undercoat because of the intense cold of the region, and these coats are harvested, which produce the extremely expensive pashmina. These are the female yaks. Yaks have been domesticated in Leh Ladakh from thousands of years, and they are actually very valuable animal in the Himalayan economy. The yak is used to carry loads and to plow fields. Ladakhi people also drink its milk and eat its meat. As our car was speeding along the Leh Kargil highway while we were returning from Kargil, we suddenly spotted these antelopes deep down in a valley. We were so lucky, they looked absolutely stunning. I don't think I need to say anything about this beautiful dog. We all love them, don't we? These are the 6 animals that I spotted on my trip to Ladakh. What did you spot? Write that in the comment section.